ये क्या घास फूस खा रही हो? अरे चिकन नहीं खाओगी तो प्रोटीन कहाँ से आएगा? एग्स खा लो, वो तो वेजिटेरियन है। सुन, ये वीगन ना आजकल की चोचले, कुछ नहीं होता।
Tired of explaining to your relatives about how veganism works? Share this video with them today and no longer stress about log kya kahenge. Are you planning to turn vegan or are you already one? In either case, did you know that there are many myths around veganism that need to be busted? Let's delve in deep. What is veganism? In the simplest terms, being vegan involves adopting a diet totally free from consuming meat or any animal products. So does being a vegetarian mean being vegan? Well, that question takes us to myth number 1. Being vegetarian and vegan is the same thing. This is totally untrue. Vegans don't eat meat, eggs, milk or any other dairy products that comes from or contains animals. Vegetarians do not eat meat. However, they do consume large amounts of dairy products in most settings. Vegan foods are deficient in protein. Can you get protein only from animal products? No, that's wrong too. Soya, lentils, broccoli, seaweed, peas, spinach, beans, brown rice, whole wheat bread and pasta, quinoa, cashews, almonds, pistachios and walnuts are just a few of the plant-based protein sources available. So you are consuming the same plant-based protein as before. Honey is a vegan food product. Honey is not classified as vegan friendly. Honeybees produce honey for their own sustenance, similar to how a human mother produces milk for her own child. Honey also serves as the entire beehive's winter store. Bee population declines as a result of industrialization and honey consumption. When bees stop pollinating, it has a direct impact on the growth of plants and vegetable harvests as well as the ecosystem as a whole. So all in all, honey is not a part of vegan diet. Soya milk is the only milk option you have. Other than soy, there are dozens of other plant-based milk options. Though soy may be the most popular, other alternatives for animal milk substitutes include coconut milk, almond milk, cashew milk, hazelnut milk and rice milk. Veganism is limited to food. Veganism is without a doubt closely linked to food and consumption, but it does not end there. Veganism is a lifestyle by choice. It's about refusing to participate in anything that causes cruelty or harms the environment. Vegans often shun things that have been tested on animals or include traces of animal origin. They also attempt to utilize natural and biodegradable goods wherever feasible to avoid littering the environment. So these were some of the myths that we knew about vegan food. Do you have some more to add in there? Then do mention them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to us and hit the bell icon to stay notified. See you later.